Hey, 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 hoo, 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 hee, 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 zoo, 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 yeah, yeah, yeah,
वाह
वाह,
वाह
वाह,
वाह
वाह.
रू 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 वैसा
ऐसा हमसे होता नहीं.
If you had to describe your flirting style through a movie title, वो क्या होगा?
विचित्र
फिल्म याद
छोटा चित्र
मैं अलग हूँ.
मकड़ी
कुत्तों के सामने मत नाचना.
वाह.
तो सांबा तुमने क्यों बोला? क्योंकि मैंने बोला.
तेरा क्या होगा?
बहुत कालिया. मुझे तो आड़े टेढ़े लोग ही अच्छे लगते हैं.
यार वो वियर्ड कॉम्प्लीमेंट ना मेरे को आई एम लाइक ये कॉम्प्लीमेंट है कि बुराई कर रहा है? अगर आप रियल लाइफ में अच्छे लगते हो.
Gustakh Ishq is high on romance, drama, and of course the spark. But what really went into creating the magic of Gustakh Ishq? Well, we have the actors Vijay Verma and Fatima Zahra Sheikh to delve deeper into every aspect of Gustakh Ishq. Thank you so much for joining us today and giving us your time.
Thank you for
inviting
having us here.
And wow, what a beautiful film. This is clearly one of the biggest films for me, and I'm sure, for all the viewers who've loved the trailer, who know there's something interesting, different, unique coming out of the film. It's clearly the biggest film of 2025.
That's
क्या
very
कहते हैं?
kind of you. That's very sweet of you.
इसमें इश्क तो है, लेकिन लग रहा है आपको you're all prepared now, because see, this is पूरा हट के. I mean, we've seen the entire year.
Yeah.
We've seen all sorts of content coming out, but this stands out, and this really doesn't need any promotion. It's just the actors, it's the concept, it's the names, and of course the impact.
जी.
What world are you in right now?
We are reeling in the world of Gustakh Ishq only since the time the song started coming out.
Ji.
Trailers came out. We've been promoting, going out and talking about the film. We also watched the film recently, again, the final copy. Shared it with some close family and friends, and so receiving a lot of love. We managed to kind of bring something, a flavor that is missing in the cinemas right now. I think it's a desperate hunger for something like that in a lot of audience who need a refuge from the Mardhar, the violence, the language, the crime, and so on and so forth, which have been occupying our screens of late. So this comes as a sweet cocoon refuge away from all of that, to bring your focus back to sweet little things and sweet little nothings.
Yes, Fatima.
इतना तो बोल दिया उसने.
But clearly आपको लग रहा है कि this is like a film that needs no promotion. इसके लिए
नहीं,
लोग
ऐसी
खुद
बात नहीं है.
wait कर रहे हैं.
Awareness is
Awareness
हाँ,
is important,
जी.
क्योंकि हम भी चाहते हैं कि ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोग देखें आके. It would be arrogance to say कि नहीं हो जाएगा या ऐसा है, because बहुत प्यारी सी छोटी सी फिल्म है. हम सब लोगों ने बहुत प्यार से बनाई है. बहुत बड़े बड़े नाम है, बट सबने बहुत ही प्यार से इसमें कंट्रीब्यूट किया है. और हम चाहते हैं कि देखो, आउट ऑफ द ऑर्डिनरी है. इसमें कुछ ऐसा बड़ा कुछ धमाका नहीं है. हम प्यार के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. एक रिलेशनशिप है जो इनका और नसीर जी का है, जो एक टीचर और स्टूडेंट का है. उसमें भी बहुत प्यार है, बट थोड़ा धीमे पेस में. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि फिल्म स्लो है. इट्स जस्ट देयर इज दिस शांतिनेस.
It's an elaborate preparation.
या
It's not a quick fix
हाँ.
meal.
ऐसा नहीं है कि आते ही गाना बूढ़ वो सब नहीं होता.
वो सब आपसे होता नहीं.
वो
और
सब
आपको
हमसे होता नहीं.
Can we quickly recreate that beautiful, because it goes, with the theme of the film.
Yeah.
Would you
कुछ
please
नहीं,
like to
we
recreate
just
that
love
for the
what
fans?
कैलाश
Kailash
जी.
ji managed to say
Back
things that
then.
resonate with a lot of people, who
Hmm.
don't want to conform to any boxes, and so it was very something that I deeply enjoyed, and I love Kailash ji personally.
Yes.
He's a friend of mine. He's blessed me several times. I love how he sings and he pours himself in his music. So it was just a homage from our end, and saying that we hear you, and I'm glad you said those things because it resonated with us.
Yes.
But उन fans हैं जिन्होंने नहीं देखी वो रील, उनको तो बनता है ना देखने.
वो रील तो आप
इंस्टाग्राम
पे
में जाकर
देख
देखो, हमें भी
लीजिए।
रीच मिल जाएगी, हमें भी व्यूज मिल जाएंगे. तो बिल्कुल
No, but
देखिएगा.
quickly, one quick, part of it.
मैं जरा
Hey, 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 hoo, 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 hee, 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 zoo, 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 yeah,
वाह
ba,
वाह
ba,
वाह
ba.
रू 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 वैसा
ऐसा हमसे होता
नहीं
नहीं.
और अगर हो भी जाए, have you seen the entire
हाँ,
thing?
तो-
वो हमको गुस्सा भी आ सकता
हाँ.
है. That's what he
हाँ.
says.
हाँ वो उनकी लैंग्वेज पे बहुत अच्छी पकड़ है
जी.
तो कुछ ऐसे ऐसे शब्द उन्होंने बोले जो हमको भी जानने को हमसे जिसका तारुफ हुआ उन शब्दों से.
Yes, yes. But again, coming back to the film, there's this aspect that both of you, have sort of this liking towards, let's say, very, very unique characters, but also the fact that, these are morally grey characters. So do you think that, is it just the complexity of the characters when you choose, that really pulls you in? Or is it just the convention of acting? I mean, that's the mode of acting, that's how you all are.
Usually drama from literature, from plays, the characters that have more nuances, more complexities, a sense of some kind of imperfections are the ones that we resonate with the most when we read. It has never been the do-gooder that always gets our attention. It's the one who's broken, the one who's making mistakes, the one who is a failure, the one who's on the fringes of committing a crime, the one who's seeking penance. So these are the characters icon, like from Shakespeare till now, even our classic ancient Indian texts like Mahabharata and Ramayana. The tendency is to connect with different kinds of flaws in our human nature. So as actors, every time you see a flaw in a character, that's your in. That you start to understand the person better.
Right.
So it's just that.
When we talk about intense actors, एक misconception उनके लिए ये होती है कि that's a different category altogether. They have a niche audience. But आपके हिसाब से वो क्या misconception है viewers के दिमाग में जो दूर हो जानी चाहिए when it comes to being an intense actor? Or intense portrayal.
No, I think they've always been celebrated.
Yeah, they've
All
always
the
been
intense
celebrated.
performances and intense actors have always been celebrated.
Because ऐसा नहीं है सिर्फ मार धाड़ होते, उसमें भी बहुत सारे layers होते. There's humor.
Yeah.
There's so much humor.
I was looking at the other aspect, not the usual that
but
we see.
I think both of us have done
emotionally intense. Do you think? Yeah.
Even then,
is there a misconception for that?
I don't think.
Okay.
No. Pushpa is like a film like Pushpa working is a prime example that a certain kind of emotional intensity is always desirable as an audience. From Angry Young Man to what Shah Rukh Khan's Saab used to do in his early outings, the Dar, the Bazigar.
And also that's a very universal emotion too. Intensity to exists.
Yeah. Angry young man is a genre.
Yeah.
Also because अपनी असल जिंदगी में आप गुस्सा दिखा नहीं सकते हो.
Right.
मतलब सोसाइटी में एक्सेप्ट नहीं होता है, स्पेशली औरतों के लिए. तो जब हम एक तो ऐसी औरत देखते हैं जो गुस्से में है, हमें बहुत रिलीफ मिलता है. या ऐसा कोई एक्टर क्या कैरेक्टर जहाँ पे मारधाड़ हो रहा है, क्योंकि असलियत में आप जाके किसी 5 गाड़ियों को नहीं उठाओगे या कोई ट्री से किसी को नहीं मारोगे. बट व्हेन यू सी दैट एन एग्जैजरेटेड वर्जन, you enjoy it because that's an outlet of your aggression through cinema.
Okay. We're talking about The Angry Young Man. How can we not talk about Sholay re-releasing on December 12th?
Oh.
I mean, that's, it's again coming back on theatres. Yeah. What was the first memory? How old were you guys when you must have watched the film for the first time?
When did it release? What year?
That was like 75. 50 years ago.
It was
50 years because it turned 50 this year in
75,
August.
90.
Yes,
it's
yes.
a significant moment.
Gee.
I grew up in a household where movie watching wasn't really encouraged or appreciated. So I couldn't watch Sholay till about the age of 21, 22 when I went to the film school, where I saw it on the big screen for the first time, and I understood what this entire hoo-ha, the urban legendary kind of fanfare around it, because it still holds. And this is back in 2008-9, and this is 15 years from now. It will still be relevant. It will continue to stay relevant because it is about good versus evil eventually, and about friendship, a very strong friendship.
For you?
I don't remember because मैंने शायद बचपन में देखी होगी, वो भी टूटे तरीके से. मेरी strongest memory है दिलवाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे या कुछ कुछ होता है.
Okay.
So I don't have a very core memory for Sholay.
Okay. I have some questions
but
from
if you hear 10 dialogues from Sholay, you'll remember.
Of course I'll remember.
If I just say random dialogues, you will remember the
100%.
dialogues.
Like, we would like
कितने
to-
आदमी थे?
कितने आदमी
ये तो
थे? हाँ,
वही है।
हाँ.
तेरा
फिर
तुम्हारा
बसंती
नाम-
वाला.
तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? बसंती.
Correct.
Just the last
इन
segment
कुत्तों के
of-
सामने मत नाचना.
वाह, ये उस इंटेंसिटी से बोल
होली
के
कब
ना
है?
ये बोलेगा.
कब है होली? Right, we have some fan
आधे
questions.
इधर
so-
जाओ. आधे इधर जाओ.
और वो
आधे
उसका
उधर जाओ.
इतना क्या लेगा?
असरंगी.
सांबा.
बाकी-
सांबा का क्या था?
तेरा क्या
तेरा
होगा
क्या
सांबा?
होगा सांबा?
कालिया।
कालिया. तो सांबा तुमने क्यों बोला? क्योंकि मैंने बोला.
तेरा क्या होगा?
कालिया.
हाँ.
Too many gustakiyan happening, but we absolutely love, the ishq that has come on the screen. And I'm sure, all the fans out there just waiting for it, to come on the screen.
Thank you so
that
much.
To watch. We have some fan questions for
Alright.
you.
जी.
What's the strangest reason for which you've liked someone?
Strangest reason.
Strangest reason. कि आपको कोई अच्छा लगा हो?
मुझे तो आड़े टेढ़े लोग ही अच्छे लगते हैं.
आपको?
I mean, sometimes just the way they eat food
Okay.
or how they arrange their, plate in a certain fashion, which is so unlike mine.
Mhm.
It could be,
Yeah, I
some
तो ate
people-
from your plate the first day.
Yeah, that's तभी मेरी दोस्ती
हाँ.
हुई इससे कि पूछा नहीं, सीधा हाथ डाल के खा गई मेरा खाना.
और ये बकायदा लंच था, तो ऐसा भी नहीं रोटी चावल सब कुछ था.
Right.
और उसने पूछा भूख लगी है? मैंने बोला बिल्कुल नहीं. तुझे खाना है? नहीं. Even then I went for it. Shame.
Right. If you had to describe your flirting style through a movie title, वो क्या होगा?
बेशरम.
मेरा तो I'm awkward, so क्या अलग.
विचित्र.
फिल्म याद है?
छोटा चित्र.
अलग. मैं अलग हूँ.
मकड़ी.
मकड़ी तो अलग से.
बदतमीज
एक थी डायन.
कमीना.
It's a good film. कमीने
Right,
थी.
right.
कमीने मालूम है, बट मुझे कमीना बोल.
Oh, sorry.
And कमीने.
Second last question. If you had to choose a love language for your past self, what would it be? Love language for your past self.
Letters.
Oh.
Written
Yeah.
notes and
Yeah,
letters.
written notes. आपके लिए क्या होगा?
I wish I'd written.
I have received a lot,
Hmm.
but I have written.
कभी कोई ऐसा अच्छा हाँ you may have to answer.
I have received a lot of letters. So
कोई
I'm
ऐसा
happy.
वियर्ड कॉम्प्लीमेंट कभी आया है आप लोगों को जिससे आपको ही प्यार हो गया हो कि चल ठीक है वियर्ड है but सही था यार कॉम्प्लीमेंट.
Thanks. Weird compliment.
यार वो weird compliment ना मेरे को I am like ये compliment है कि ये बुराई कर रहा है.
हाँ.
अगर आप रियल लाइफ में अच्छे लगते हो.
ये मुझे भी बहुत मिलता है. हाँ. आपने ही तो शुरुआत की इससे.
एक्चुअली
नहीं,
पर्दे
यार,
में इतने डरावने रोल करता हूँ तो हो सकता है.
हाँ बट या
मुझे बोला था कि मेरे टोज के जो ये है बहुत छोटे हैं तो अच्छे हैं. नेल्स.
they scan that as well.
Clearly food fetishes I guess.
Right. And 1985 में अगर आप दोनों को डेट करना होता वो क्या सेटिंग होती है और किस तरीके से हुआ होता?
मैं इसकी गोद में होता मैं इन्फेंट.
मैं तो होती ही नहीं.
If you just take 2025 rather than
Okay.
2025, if the era was 1985, अगर हम
हाँ.
दूर चले जाते रिवाइंड
कुछ
कर देते
पहले
तो
जैसा
कैसा
होता?
होता?
कुछ पहले जैसा प्यार होता है.
हाँ ऐसा ही कुछ होता है जो फिल्म में है.
Yes, so वो यही इनोसेंस होती और
Correct.
यही इम्पैक्ट होता.
करेक्ट.
Thank you so much for
Thank
bringing
you. Thank you
Gustakh
so much.
Ishq, and what a wonderful chat we had with you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for giving us your time.
Thank you. Sorry we got distracted a
It
couple of
was
times.
fun.
Thank you.